The 10-kilometer out of the total 30 kilometers Indo-Myanmar fence claimed completed by Union Home Minister Amit Shah is now visible on Google Earth. Recent satellite imagery from Google Earth reveals that the Indo-Myanmar border fencing previously announced on national media has made visible progress north of Moreh towards Ukhrul, predominantly inhabited by the Tangkhul Nagas. Starting from the 10-kilometer fence area in Moreh, the border fence extends northwards and currently reaches Molphoi village. The fence appears to cut through dense forests and touches some Indian villages along the way, with interruptions caused by water bodies. Media reports suggest that fencing in Kuki-dominated areas is also planned to commence soon, while the government aims to expedite fencing in these areas to curb infiltration. Kuki-Zo organizations have opposed the move. The 5 districts in Manipur, that is Churachandpur, Chandil, Kamjong, Tengnopal and Ukhrul, share a 398-kilometer border with Myanmar. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has emphasized the government's commitment to securing India's borders and announced that 30 kilometers of the Indo-Myanmar border fencing has
जहां तक मणिपुर का सवाल है, 100 दिन में हमने जो ये घटनाओं का मूल है, भारत म्यांमार सीमा, इसका फेंसिंग शुरू कर दिया है। 30 किलोमीटर फेंसिंग समाप्त हो चुका है और पूरी 1500 किलोमीटर से ज्यादा जो सीमा है, इसको फेंसिंग करने का बजट भारत सरकार ने अप्रूव कर दिया है।
The decision to scrap the free movement regime (FMR) between India and Myanmar, made in February this year, was intended to strengthen internal security and preserve the demographic structure of northeastern states. Amit Shah reiterated that the government is working towards fencing the entire 1,643-kilometer forest border known for smuggling activities at a cost of rupees 31,000 crore. Current projects include a 10-kilometer fence in Moreh with additional 20 kilometers of fencing in Manipur expected soon. 2 pilot projects using hybrid surveillance systems (HSS) are also underway in Arunachal Pradesh and Manipur to enhance border security measures. It may be mentioned that Union Home Minister Amit Shah has noted that illegal immigration from the neighboring country is one of the main causes of violence prevailing in Manipur. Bureau Report, Impact News.